All right, guys, we're back out here again at Eastman Lake with my good friend Titus from TNT9 Fishing. I'm gonna link him in the description below. Go check him out. We're gonna go smack some bass here. We were out here yesterday with my buddy Titus and my buddy Jinx 559, having pretty good luck. So we got about 14 bass yesterday. I think altogether we got like 60 bass, all between us three. Nothing really like crazy big, but it was the bite was pretty good, man. You need help, brother? All right, guys, so it's raining out here. We waited in the car probably for like an hour. The rain stopped, but as soon as we make it down here, it started raining again, and it kind of looks like it's coming down. It's gonna be a hell of a day, you guys. Do you guys fish in the rain, or does your wife hold your guys' purse? Just saying. My buddy landed the first one of the day over there. Yes, sir. All right, come on. All right, here we go. Yeah. Oh, there we go. First one of the day, you guys. Fishing in the rain out here. My buddy Titus. Just doing our thing. Fighting the wind. You know what it is, man. Here we go. Now we're on them. Let's go. I keep getting little bites, but nothing will commit, you know. Let go. Yeah, they're fast. He let go. He had it, but he let go.
There's a little school of something right here below.
Right underneath you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, 1, 2, 1. He's right here. He's right here. He's right here. Little guy. And these little guys put up a pretty good fight. Oh, come on. Come on, little guy. Ah, there we go. Second one of the day, you guys. Alright, here it is, guys. On the good old Ned rig. Get your pass up here.
On the netty?
On the good old Ned rig. Flipping fish Ned rig, you guys. This is why you fish in the rain, you guys. This is why.
First underspin bass.
Yeah, it's real. They just grab it and run with it, and sometimes they let it go. I've had a few where I've had them on, but they let go, dude. They're real quick, huh? They're like little piranhas, man. It's got a beautiful rainbow, you guys. I don't think I have my GoPro on for this one, but there we go, guys. All right, you guys, we're gonna call it a day now. It's close to, I think it's almost 4 o'clock here. It's 4:11, you guys. We came out here again and smacked like half a dozen bass. You know, me and my buddy Titus out here. Pretty good day out here. It's these bass did certainly went in a little deeper. It wasn't as active as it was yesterday, but hey, 20 bass in 2 days, I'll take that any day, man. Remember, you guys, if you guys want to ask me any questions, comment down below. I do respond to every comment. And I want to take a moment here and thank you guys really show my appreciation for you guys. You guys been supporting the content, supporting the channel. That YouTube channel is really growing at a good pace, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thanks for watching.
Peace.